Will AI replace writers in Hollywood? That's our question today. A conundrum as old as, well, as old as artificial intelligence itself. On one hand, we have human writers, the lifeblood of the film industry. They're the ones who create the stories that make you laugh, cry, and everything in between. They craft narratives that resonate with our own experiences, that help us understand ourselves and the world around us. They're the ones who can take a single idea and turn it into a blockbuster hit or a critically acclaimed masterpiece. On the other hand, we have artificial intelligence, sophisticated algorithms capable of analyzing vast amounts of data, learning from it, and creating something new. They're tireless, efficient, and they never ask for a coffee break. So, who's better? Well, let's look at the facts. When it comes to creativity, human writers have the edge. They can think outside the box, make unexpected connections, and come up with ideas that no algorithm could ever predict. They understand human emotions, relationships, and all the complexities of life in a way that AI just can't match. But when it comes to speed and efficiency, AI takes the cake. It can analyze thousands of scripts, learn from them, and generate a new one in a fraction of the time it would take a human writer. And it never gets writer's block. But it's not just about speed and efficiency. AI can also provide a fresh perspective, a new way of looking at things that humans might not consider. It can analyze trends, predict what audiences will want to see, and create content that's perfectly tailored to them. So, who's the winner here? Well, it's not that simple. AI and human writers each have their own strengths and weaknesses. They're different tools for different jobs, and the best results often come from combining the two, using AI to supplement human creativity, not replace it. In conclusion, will AI replace writers in Hollywood? The answer is no, not entirely. AI can certainly help, but it can't replicate the human touch. The ability to empathize, to understand and convey complex emotions, to tell stories that resonate with us on a deeply personal level, that's something only a human writer can do. The future of Hollywood isn't a battle between humans and AI, it's a partnership. A collaboration between human creativity and AI efficiency. And who knows, maybe the next big blockbuster will be a joint effort between a human writer and their AI assistant. After all, the best stories are those that surprise us. And what could be more surprising than that? So, if you're a writer, don't worry. Your job is safe, for now. And if you're an AI, well, keep learning. You've got some big shoes to fill. That's all for today. Until next time, keep pondering those big questions. Who knows, you may just find the answers you're looking for.